What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor! Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! Hey, there you are! Good to see you! Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Right leads to Tidmouth. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Good job! Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Just spin the great! That's perfect! That was off the rails! Which way do you want? Right leads to... Super! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train. That's the way. Super! Super cool! Where to now? Rightly, the rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it. That's the way. Thanks for helping out. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help by great! Ha! We're always happy to help. Which way do you want to go? Right, Great! Left leads to the... Left leads to... The tunnel is nearby. Left leads to... The tunnel is nearby. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Rusted bolts! The tunnel has collapsed, and that's perfect! Drag the broken pieces back into their spot on the bridge. We all love your train set!